Hello and welcome to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to build healthy habits with mp3.Academy. I'm excited to guide you through how our platform can help you develop habits that not only improve your daily life, but also lead to lasting, positive change. Building healthy habits is key to personal growth and achieving your long-term goals, and we're here to provide you with the tools and strategies to make that process easier and more effective. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity, boost your well-being, or create new routines, mp3.Academy will help you break it down into actionable steps, stay consistent, and overcome challenges along the way. Let's dive in and explore how you can start building healthy habits that truly stick. Building healthy habits is a powerful way to improve your life in both small and significant ways, and at mp3.Academy, we help you understand the process of creating habits that stick. Whether you're looking to enhance your physical well-being, boost your mental clarity, or become more productive, developing the right habits is essential. A habit is something you do consistently over time, and when those actions are aligned with your goals, they become the foundation for long-term success. Through our programs, mp3.Academy teaches you how to identify, develop, and sustain healthy habits that support your growth and well-being. For our complete list of mp3.Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3.Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3.Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. One of the key elements of building healthy habits is consistency. Without regular practice, even the best intentions can fall by the wayside. At mp3.Academy, we emphasize the importance of setting realistic and achievable goals that can be repeated daily or weekly. By focusing on small, manageable actions, you reduce the overwhelm that often comes with trying to make significant changes all at once. This gradual approach makes it easier to maintain your habits over time, leading to lasting improvements in your health and lifestyle. Another important factor in habit formation is self-awareness. You need to understand what triggers your current behaviors and how to replace unproductive habits with healthier alternatives. At mp3.Academy, we guide you through the process of identifying the cues that lead to your current actions, helping you design a plan to replace them with more constructive routines. This conscious approach allows you to break free from old patterns and embrace new habits that align with your goals and values. One common obstacle to building healthy habits is procrastination. It's easy to delay the start of a new habit, especially when it feels daunting or unfamiliar. At mp3.Academy, we help you overcome this barrier by breaking down your goals into smaller, actionable steps. By focusing on one small action at a time, you make it easier to start and build momentum. This incremental approach ensures that you feel more in control and less overwhelmed, allowing you to focus on making steady progress. Another key strategy we promote at mp3.Academy is the use of accountability. When you have someone to check in with or a system to track your progress, you're more likely to stick to your new habits. Whether it's a friend, mentor, or a digital tool, having accountability ensures that you remain committed to your goals. At mp3.Academy, we encourage setting up accountability systems that keep you motivated and help you stay on track, even when you face challenges. In addition to accountability, rewarding yourself for maintaining your habits is another effective way to stay motivated. At mp3.Academy, we teach you how to incorporate small rewards into your habit-building process. These rewards act as positive reinforcement, making it more likely that you'll continue the behavior over time. Whether it's celebrating a week of consistent workouts or enjoying a treat after completing a major task, rewards can make habit building more enjoyable and sustainable. An essential aspect of building healthy habits is patience. Developing a new habit doesn't happen overnight. It requires persistence and time. At mp3.Academy, we emphasize the importance of being patient with yourself during the habit formation process. There will be days when sticking to your habit feels more difficult, but it's important to remember that consistency over time is what leads to lasting change. By practicing self-compassion and focusing on long-term progress, you can avoid the frustration that comes with expecting instant results. Another critical component of habit formation is environmental support. The space you create around yourself plays a significant role in how easy or difficult it is to maintain new habits. At mp3 Academy, we guide you in designing an environment that promotes your healthy habits. Whether it's keeping healthy snacks in your kitchen, setting up a productive workspace, or removing distractions, your surroundings can either support or hinder your progress. By creating an environment that encourages the behaviors you want to develop, you make it easier to stick to your habits. Mindset also plays a key role in developing and maintaining healthy habits. At mp3 Academy, we teach you how to cultivate a growth mindset, where challenges are viewed as opportunities for improvement rather than setbacks. This mindset shift is critical for overcoming obstacles that might otherwise derail your progress. By approaching habit formation with a positive and open mindset, you're better equipped to handle difficulties and maintain your focus on your long-term goals. In conclusion, building healthy habits is a process that requires consistency, self-awareness, accountability, and the right mindset. At mp3 Academy, we provide the tools and strategies needed to help you create lasting changes in your life, from identifying your current patterns to developing new routines that support your well-being. By breaking down your goals into actionable steps, designing an environment that supports your habits, and staying accountable, you can make the changes you desire. Through patience and persistence, your new habits will become second nature, leading to a healthier, more fulfilling life.